To the untrained eye, this is a warehouse full of assets. But to a lean leader, this is a graveyard. You are looking at a mountain of dead cash, slowly suffocating your company's future. Welcome to the waste of inventory. Inventory takes many forms: raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. It is anything you've paid for but haven't sold yet. And every second it sits here, it is losing you money. I once saw a tech firm lose $10 million in a single afternoon. Why? Because they overstocked a component for a product that was replaced by a new model. $10 million. Literally thrown in the trash. This is the risk of the just-in-case mindset. The cost of inventory isn't just what you paid for it. Carrying costs can eat up 25% of your total inventory value every single year. You're paying a massive, invisible rent for the privilege of letting your profit stand still. We call it the sea of inventory. High inventory levels hide your real problems. Like water covering rocks, it hides your machine failures and your quality gaps. You think you're safe, but you're just blind to the obstacles that are sinking your ship. Think about your floor space. When inventory grows, your factory becomes a storage locker. You stop building products and start managing boxes. You're paying for square footage that should be generating value, but is instead just holding dust. And think about the handling. Every piece of inventory has to be moved, tracked, counted, and insured. The more you have, the more you touch it. And the more you touch it, the more you waste time and risk damage. It is a cycle of inefficiency. This is the ultimate trade-off: liquidity versus inventory. When your cash is locked in boxes on a shelf, it can't be used for R&D, for expansion, or for payroll. You are choosing to be asset-rich and cash-poor. In business, that is a dangerous game. Here is where it gets truly terrifying. You find a quality issue at the end of the week, but because you have a week's worth of inventory, you've just created 10,000 defects. Now you don't have a problem, you have a catastrophe, and no way to rewind. But world-class organizations have broken this cycle. They use just-in-time production to keep inventory at the absolute minimum. They don't hide their problems, they expose them and fix them. They choose agility over bulk. They choose speed over safety nets. When you master inventory, your cash flow explodes. Your lead times drop by weeks, not hours. You stop being a warehouse and start being a manufacturing powerhouse. Excellence isn't about how much you have, it's about how much you flow. So, look at your shelves today. Are they assets or are they anchors? The mountain of dead cash is waiting to be cleared. The question is, do you have the courage to lower the water level? Follow Six Sigma with Omar to find out how. The path to efficiency is clear, but you don't have to walk it alone. Join our community of world-class leaders and let's eliminate waste together. Follow Six Sigma with Omar on all platforms. This is where your transformation begins. You've seen the weight of inventory, but wait until you see the cost of every step your workers take. Motion, the fifth hidden enemy that's exhausting your team and your profit. I'll see you in the next episode. Every step counts.